In this video we'll be doing CSS responsive image. Okay, so we always start with our HTML block structure. Okay, inside this our HTML structure we add our image element img. Okay, then we now use a // to select where the image is located in our project folder. So it's located in the image folder. Then we're using this image. I'm using this my image.png. Okay, let me refresh this output. You can see in this output, you can see how the image is. Okay, so let's see what responsive image does to an image. Okay, not actually what it does to an image, but how we can the properties that we add to our image element so that the image itself will be responsive. Okay, so let's connect our CSS file, which is our external CSS file. Let's connect it by going to this under the title and use the word link, then connect the CSS file // then it's inside CSS. Then okay, it's now connected. Okay, then since it's now connected, we will now use the name. We will now use element selector img. Inside the img, we will now use curly braces, which is not curly braces, a declaration block. That's the right name. Okay, then inside the declaration block, we now declare max width, Okay, then and the next one will be that should be height. I think that is height. Yeah. So it's supposed to enter the next line. I want it to enter the next line. Height. Okay. So for us to make this our, just as we are, if I input the values for these two properties, just be looking at this this image here and see the difference when I add this value here. Just these two value will give me only these two value that I'll add here. These two properties will make the image responsive. Okay, so first of all, let me add in the width. Let me add I will make it auto. No, in the width I'll make it 100%, not auto. 100%. Okay, you can see the image. Then inside the height I'll make it automatic. So with these two properties and with these two properties and its values, our image is now responsive. Okay, so if I maximize this my Chrome output, the image will automatically fit in. Okay, let's just do that. Let's stop talking and do that. You can see that it's now responsive. So let's reduce it again. It's now responsive. Any shape you give to it, we take. Let's also widen. So you see what I'm saying. As you are widening it, it's taking the shape. It's automatically fitting in. It's very responsive. If you're reducing it, it will be reducing. You can see that. Okay, let's comment it. Let's comment the two properties out and see what will happen. Control / you can see now it's not happening. Even if we do let's widen, let's maximize, you see what's happening. The image is not responsive. If we do the same thing that we did before, it's not responsive. You see what the image is doing. Okay, see what it's doing. But once we uncomment this our properties and this value now, I mean uncomment it. Control not this one. Let me uncomment it. You target this place. Yeah, uncomment it. Control. Oh, since taking two, let me just do it manually. Once I uncomment it now, you see the image is now responsive. Okay, so this is how to do CSS responsive. This is how to make an image responsive in a CSS. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.